Control the tongue. A spark or a rudder. A single word ignites a chain reaction. The tongue, though small, is powerful. A careless insult flies like a spark. The spark lands, and hearts smolder. Rumor spreads faster than footsteps. Connections ignite, trust begins to burn. Words become winds that shove and scatter. A child looks up, learning more than letters. Small tools steer great forces. So too, a small tongue can steer a life. No human being can tame the tongue. It is a restless evil. James 3-8. If untamed, let it be bridled by wisdom and love.